In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to underline text in Adobe Illustrator quickly and correctly. If you've ever tried to underline text in Illustrator and couldn't find the option right away, you're not alone. Unlike some other programs, the underline setting isn't always visible by default, but once you know where to look, it's incredibly simple. I'll walk you through the exact steps, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to underline any text in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Adobe Illustrator guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Adobe Illustrator and make sure you have a document ready. If you haven't already added text, go to the toolbar on the left side and select the Type tool. Click anywhere on your artboard and type out the text you want to work with. You can also open an existing project that already contains text. Now, to underline text in Illustrator, the first thing you need to do is select the text. You can do this in one of two ways. If you want to underline the entire text box, simply click on it with the Selection tool, which is the black arrow at the top of the toolbar. If you only want to underline specific words or part of the text, switch to the Type tool, click inside the text, and drag your cursor to highlight just the portion you want to underline. This gives you full control over exactly what gets formatted. Once your text is selected or your cursor is active inside the text, the next step is to open the Character panel. To do that, go to the top menu and click on Window. From the drop-down menu, hover over Type and then click on Character. This will open the Character panel, which contains detailed formatting options for your text, including font, size, spacing, and more. If the Character panel opens as a small box, you may need to expand it to see all the options. Look for a small menu icon in the corner of the panel and make sure all formatting options are visible. In the Character panel, you'll see various icons and settings. What you're looking for is the Underline button. With your text still selected, simply click the Underline icon in the Character panel. As soon as you click it, you'll see a line appear directly beneath your selected text. That's it. Your text is now underlined. If you want to remove the underline, just make sure the text is selected again and click the Underline icon one more time to toggle it off. It works as a simple on and off switch. One important thing to keep in mind is that the underline will follow your text formatting. So if you change the font size, font style, or even the color of your text, the underline will adjust accordingly. This makes it very easy to maintain consistent design styling throughout your project. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to underline text in Adobe Illustrator using the Character panel. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference when you're emphasizing headings, links, or important words in your design. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy Illustrator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.